Dormaahene himself. Dormaahene, if you like it or not, that's true that Otumfuo or say to Tunyamekesi and Anamibomi Mwase sitting on or always sitting beside Otumfuo is God himself prepared. You cannot change what God has made. You cannot change it. There's one God in heaven and there's one God on earth. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. Okay? Why are you so jealous? Why are you so jealous? Just get somebody to command one for you if you think you are Otumfuo's classmate or if you think you are Otumfuo whatever. Otumfuo is not your class at all. Okay? Look for your class and talk about them. And also you have to talk about your history. You are the same person who was saying, oh, because nobody talk about your history, that's why people don't know about your history. And you get a chance to talk about your history, and you were talking about Otumfuo. You were talking about us, talking about Sikajaf Kofi. Please, if you don't have nothing to do, or if you don't have nothing to say, just quit. Just cut off. Cut off. Don't say nothing. We don't want to hear anything from your mouth from Asante. We don't want to hear anything about Asante. Don't say nothing about us. Or Sikajokofi is going to blind your eyes. Okay? Sikajokofi already messed your brains up. Do you want more? You want more sickness? Do you want more? If you want more, yes, we will give you more. Right now, we mess up your brain. And next time, it's going to be your eye. You're going to get blind. So stop talking about him. He has done nothing to you. Otumfuo has not done nothing to you. Otumfuo is not talking about you. He don't even care about you. I don't think Otumfuo even know your exist. Otumfuo don't know your existence. So stop talking about him and stop envy Ashantis. Why are you so envy? Why are you so jealous? You're delusional. You are sick. You have to get something for your sickness. Take your medicines. You need some kind of drugs or some kind to calm you down. You're always high. Your brain is high. Your brain is too high. One day it's gonna explode. Stop talking about Ashanti. We have not done nothing to you. We don't even know your existence. We don't know you, so you don't know us. Every chance you get, instead of you talking about your history or talking about development, you are there talking nonsense about Ashanti people. Why? Jealousy. Jealous. Because you're jealous? Just because Otumfuo, we are bigger than you. I'm not even going to compare you to Otumfuo. That's so disrespectful to compare Otumfuo to you. We will compare us to you. You are not our class. So stop talking nonsense. Stop talking about us. Jesus Christ.
You see, the problem is question. The Hamikakani say, "Impenifobi ashede yumani." I say there's nothing happening, but things are also happening. Over a long period of time, you say, Nana Dormaahene, Sabu, or the Insembu or Kika, Efa Asante, any Asante Amambrem. Sometimes they are unprovoked, but he will say them now at the reaction, especially on social media. Abba, na uhunu said the sebi inquara totofiwa omo toto ne ho a sabi obi a oti akonwa kese so no said the maker ewo ye culture mu no enye se one enipa anamansan eye wo sa ana wo so enye se wo ma wo ho kwan emenipa ye den eye wo sa because wo ma ho kwan ya people will bring your name into disrepute. Now, what is the case? Nancy na yes Bufo. Eyo imagine so omo ye bibi omo friend like omo union I friend Bono champion. Na anka Bufo ishiana omo fa omo ho adwen se de be ya omo mantem ebe kosua. What has Asante's name got to do with that? Say wo ye wadia ebema wo mre we mpotema koso. It has nothing to do with Sebi Ira Asante and I say Asante for in particular. But here is it. Along the way now all kasa ewo event na sino. Ana wo be kase ono ko hwe Asante sikadwa kofi na be chi sikadwa kofi ni mu but me seti platform no ono hwe ekrampu no ohwe ni picture na yade a ye weldie ewo ye weldie na me ka se me ka de me ka ho no nye ono no kan ho which means ye weldie ade no magazine what you say into only this sikadwa kofi bi afiri esoro na yeden e bai. You see this statement very, like it's significant and very disruptive, very insulting, demeaning, degrading, denigrating. Adentia, if you say, Adia enipakuo bi ejidi no, omu re eshemu no, yendi adikono atem. So, uka sape, what the one saka, it nipa kono baby a wayemre. Yanisa. Anything. A banu say, yeba be form a ye Asante mania. Asante munu, a dear dikai. A pono enye, Sigaka, enye utumfo. A dear. History is a whole course on its own. Maybe you be now you engineer, you be now a broadcaster, you be now whatever. But a bano history, because a whole line on its own. So when you don't even attempt, because along the way, will be a mistake. I say, say, engineering work. That's not my fault. I mean, by all means, me brewo. Such not the engineer biba, ebisi microphone ano, ese won kasa. Obekasa de na all can wonu. Now so be an crowd people need to the man ko bede. Obi kan pepepe. What I'm trying to say is that we shouldn't deviate into areas are enye you're strong. Like we are not that's not our forte. That's not where we are supposed to be. I didn't hear. Sekejwa kofini ye babeti Asante mine. Impeni form babeti Asante mine ye okonfo anochi. I'm say yakudi kromo krampoda. Ye na no say tutu ni impeni fo anomo wo. Sata na Asante nyen emayo. Anomi o imagine say amanya ishia yese omobei ti Asante no. Said the beya omure eba be she adie bakumu omu that unity. Say ye nyina ye koma ba be she bibi bakumu. The konfono ekomi ana sikadwa kofi ifiri soro eyeden ebaye. Now this is a history. It has been quoted and been said and is being registered over time.
Best TV so me do fa na me no hye himam ka hye himam fefefa Mother subscribe you and watch share. We are conversation not share what you have channels and do because I say a papa say my mom chief chances and you for my him comodia the platform is so you need no more. Him catch him but Sansia. My human catwana, a human fair fan but Sansia. A young common and a yedi drop entity moo, don't pay your pese a him for a gun a him for Bocostro and your mamma do she attends in a condemn. No more do I my planet but a chidom as the bullet she and manahini a kono eti se yewotu fo se eti se nyame kase na pia se kutu se bom aya Asante akade enyamo die ne bia ho betimi ni Asante hina epe de mu ntuma fra mu entuma mu ahene mu de adea aya Asante akade bo ne dia nya bo emu ase ede ama no yewotu fo se eti se nyame kase de peso o ma ahene aye kono peso o ma Asante man afa na tuma papa afra papa ene se de bia tena se ya bakosem ne de ene chief chances issue ne de ese yete so papa Odo for video ya ehwe aye mama baako a woye Ghana ni bet wonte ha o hwe ne brofo ene ne nsem o kekan na se metimi aka se Ghana kro ba ya ache wose na Dormaahene whether you like it or not me wa translators na but whether you like it or not nana on temene Asante hene enyepe you can never be like Otumfuo has can I say golden stew. As if you like you to command somewhere and name the thing and stop jealousy. Hey, what the very brofo. Your mammy send be kakra bi okan your moment brofo na de was say another my the way you na jai na embowa wo jai ni nyina obi na de ho Asante ma wo golden stew na wo se wonti ase na wo so pe golden stew a eno anse wo so koprob no so command bia mom na de wo ye nyina ya jealousy de wo ye ni nyina woni bra Asante man na wo ye ni nyina no Asante hene na woni bre no eti sa na mani nyina agyae sansam kekan kana wakekana o Asante hene mfi obi amfi ho enne se odi mi ka koka sikadwa ho asem woni se sikadwa ho asem do koka obi be fiu enso Asante hene no ho time eti e de asum sikadwa ye asum se de Israel for ha asum omunyam ne sa na asum sikadwa eti se wonti ase ne se wo so wo pese de command bi mawo e de ka ye kama aduana fo gya no ho dia na wo so koprob na commande na so ayi biama na jealousy ne de ye firi wo ho na wo twu ho ene bete ye pekora wontimi Asante hen enye pe me de mese makame nka biem platform is maka whether you like it or not we can never be like Otumfuo se tutu ye mfa ni nyina nto nche se ye fo Otumfuo se tutu ye fa no ntuma fremu na mamre mu nkofo atware ho ahia the way we see a presenting ho as a woman, nobody. And 2 person Asante hene yepa, and you have a long way to go. You have a long things to learn because papa no when you ketwa keke. Uko menshare the way si di asem ne the way retito. Na himfo twa ho hia man hina kase. Wo ga golden stew asem. Golden stew nipa na esono na da bi ho se sono gidigidi no. Wo ya hene kase pa o. A metimi aka se na hene eso che na Dormaahene. And so golden stew no also no. Enye wasem. Wako kandi yanka se afi wudu wan ko body yammo na atoto akire won na amankire won se no e de nu gase nketenketen en enfure twu wanim enfure jojo enfure tetew enfure hu tese ensem bebre obi nwum okobọ ya na kemfa ho kra no ene hwe ye de anwum aba se ye wa all because of sense we akokan eti na me nua bru ni bi kase na nei e ka me nko a de bi obi no opportunity bi abekasa no Asante fo asem ja Asante fo asem mabe only opportunity so bekasa bi na e mo Asante hene din na bo Asante hene di a the way si ye hu internet no so ana me wura ho se mekasa me krom hene no e ye na me do pa so na me wura ho metimi nkubi ye ntimi nka bi ma ye ntimi nkasa bi enu ni it's your mammy, you knew my man, some kakra a letter to another Dormaahene. So the way you know jealousy. And a hinian was a way son of a man sent to Quasam. It's a common cranya. Like an from catches. Hey, Jane, e wo se me ne Asante wa problem na so sikadwa asem do obi akoko ho because me wo me beto onya sikadwa wo ho sikadwa nya ba almost 300 years no na wo ho eti me se obi akoko sikadwa ho na mom papa panyin ni mom e na wo beko ana so beka setie sikadwa e ba sa na antwaye e ba sa na de titimu ba we ne se me se bi enuam ba se enam se sikadwa asem ba e omo school no omo correct no chese omo access no na do ma hena ye mre because akoka de yenka omo Asante fo me hu se unity odo e wa Asante mamu pa enya Asante man ko a ohwe omo ka ho asem ya omo so da bebom obia kaseti atwapem obia kaseti because amamna ya beto ho dadade amamna ya beto so de entete se yen kaseti ne bahat me bia no bia kaseti bahat na mom wo pe na wo ko kan sem bi se ya na kwasia wo ha se se wo kwati Asante man onua enya ne na wo Asante hene man hene won me mo man hene wo se Bono House of Chief President awote so no as you remain as a Bono House of Chief President no obepeje obi ay mana ye man hene asasena osampo asem da wadima anya ne man hene da ho ensem bebre entitimu ne to kwantina na wose ne nyina twa so ne ma we nyina twa so kakra bi kura won sakan twa so ne mpa yeye ani asumdue e mabro ene Ghana manyina ne to kwane ba still ne do tumfo ne yebesu afre ono ane papa Ghana nyina ye papa no yebesu afre no ne asabe waste the time nipa no odi asa asabe waste the time ebia no bibi ye papa na no ye wodi ye we abe waste the time da bi ye mpa no ye mpese bibia beba etitia wulem na Asante ma so tane so nim se ofi Asante ma na ba be so Asante ma tie me na mko masaba na me ko tojo gufo sajim tie de jaja lo se no aye 2 days see we na no hye so video no we no hye mama nsa nyina hwebi we akoko mesa hye no hye wadwa bo kire kwaso bakato se haye hye bakosem ka ma be chipta se ne hye fon komo ene eti no mo ti ne no hye me a boso e na kire wadwe dokure ne asumdwe mu e wo de hye papa bi bu na fo nya mabru hima amayimam ka cha amayimam fefe amayimam don amaje wakode ametoso miensa me no be hye de bia wo 2 days TV so gusu ana hwe